we're gonna do a hair hack today.
I'm kind of nervous about this because we've seen it online and it looks genius, but I'm willing to bet there's gonna be some kind of wah wah wah.
I hope not, because it's my hair. So
let's just say
we pulled up this video. I don't know if you can see it, but it's on Facebook and it's called something about technologies 3018 China. We're not in 3018, it should be 2018, but still. You can look this up on Facebook or internet. So here goes nothing.
sorry, I'm tired.
Yeah, she's tired. She worked today. So I'm just gonna take my hair down. It's a hot mess, yes, I know, but I need to wash it.
What else is taking away?
I'm going.
Not with you needing to wash it, but it being a hot mess.
Oh,
Still just as bad.
yes.
Why didn't you get dressed up?
I didn't. I just put on a good
She's
shirt.
like, I'm actually wearing clothes.
Well, no, because the purple shirt I had on, it was due to the
Gotcha.
direct sales company.
The
that
name
used
that's
it.
on it.
Yeah,
I'm
so I
following
needed
you.
to change that. Okay.
So, what I was saying,
Sorry.
you're really bad.
I am. I'm so sorry about that.
Basically, all she did was cut off the top of this, and there's a nice little, not so even hole. I don't know if
You
can
try
even
doing
see
it. I can't even do
That's
it.
why I offered my knife that I use at work, because it's like,
I
cut
don't
butter.
do knives.
You
So
can't do a
there's
butter
a-
knife without cutting yourself.
Take that back. That's not true.
Okay.
That's not true. So I have
Camera's
a
over
little
here.
hole here. Huh?
The camera's over here. You're like way over
Whoops. I have a hole here, and then I have the top, so you can see.
here. Hard, bro.
And then I'm gonna use some Diamond Dust Leave-In Cream. It's really good. It's a little expensive. It's about $20 on Amazon. And I use this for my dry and unruly hair. So I'm just gonna spray.
You just sprayed me.
I did not.
You got my eye. My eye's burning. Ow.
Why?
Even Harper's like, oh, Mama, are you okay? Look at her.
I see her.
This stuff smells amazing, by the way.
It does. It really smells like
I can always-
perfume.
I can always tell when Heather's put it in her hair. I'm like,
It really like, it's like a conditioning detangler type thing. It's a little expensive, but
a lot.
so basically from what I saw the
Need lots more than that.
no, this should be fine.
This
just
girl's
to
got a
start
lot
with.
of hair.
Yes, I do. I guess you twirl it in.
Do you want it on the hot setting or cold setting? No, you don't twirl it. You just stuff it in there.
Well, twirl it to get all the. Yeah, I would do hot.
Yeah,
Fine.
I'm not standing up because my feet are
No,
killing
that's
me.
fine. You don't have to.
Guess on the hot
Here goes nothing. Pray for me.
Will it fit in the hole? Yes, it will. Ooh. Ready?
Yeah.
That was a wah wah. Okay, hang on. Let's try a smaller piece because you have insanely thick hair.
We're not going to do the whole head, but I wanted
No,
to at
but
least. I wanted to at least try it and see what we could do if it would work. So.
I'm gonna have to see if it's like the angle part of it.
Yeah, maybe. Hot. So if you do it this way, do it on the cold setting. Because it can get hot. No way! Oh my god, yes!
Screw curling irons, dude.
I know. That's
Water
crazy.
bottle.
But the thing is, if your hair doesn't hold curls,
Hold
I
it.
would like pin it up.
No, hold on, wait. I gotta see this. Like a.
Okay, sorry.
Those are like beach wave. I mean, you probably would want to do it for a little longer than a few seconds because it's already falling.
Let's try again.
She's like,
Yeah. I may end up doing my hair like this from
Watch, I'm gonna come home from work and she's gonna have a plastic bottle stuck to the side of her head. Oh my god. See, and that's
Yeah, I twirled it.
I twirled it.
Well, that's why I
I
twirled
twirl it, I twirl it, I twirl it.
it. Nuts. But yeah, I
No
would
one
do it
will
the
have
way
any
you
takes.
had it. Like
That worked. Screw it.
I would do it the way you had it to where you had it. Like
I got this. Oh, me.
okay. You get it then, homie.
Wrong button. Your blow dryer sucks. I can't push the button with one hand. Oh, I'm pushing it wrong. Whoops. It went right at the top. Looks like a hot mess. It was spinning. It goes. So it's about.
I would hold it to the hair like this.
Yeah,
and then-
what I'm noticing is it all depends on like positioning of the bottle and the angle of the blow dryer going into it. So we're gonna do this.
You may hold it?
No,
Oh,
I
you
got
got it.
this. And if you are not multi-talented, don't do it. Just because I'm sucking hardcore.
You're doing good.
Holy rat's nest.
It's hot. But I don't care. If it's really Ah!
That is awesome! Rat's nest for the win! So that's a pretty clever hack. It does
So
work.
I'm going to try and separate it. You know how you do your beach waves and you try and separate it? I'm going to try and separate it and see if
It does work, but I don't think it's gonna hold.
it's not going to hold. No. So what I would do is I would hold it in the water bottle for at least a minute or so on a cool setting to where it's constantly going, and then just take it out. And then if you are a person that, you know, your hair doesn't hold the curls, I would take little clips and like curl it the way you curled it, and then put it to your head, and then that'll probably sustain the curls.
You definitely want to use a little bit of hairspray too before you do it, because it would probably hold it a lot
Yeah,
better.
yeah.
I'm breaking out. Oh,
Goodness.
Hot Mess Express.
Is it the time of the month?
Not yet.
Not yet?
In a few days.
Coming to you soon.
Maybe not.
So we
That's
heard about the James Charles palette,
Oh my gosh.
and we saw the video,
We just
and
watched
oh my gosh, it's
You watched it.
gorgeous. Yes, I watched it twice. That's how gorgeous it is. And we're going to get it, and we're going to do some looks with it.
I can't wait to do a rainbow eye. Since
I know. I'm going to let you
Since
have
I've
that
mastered
moment,
that.
and I'm going to do the warm tone moment because he has warm tones on the top of it. It is gorgeous. I'm going to put a pic on the in the video to show you the palette, and just look up YouTube. Yeah, a pic. Really?
Oliver.
Oliver is just looking up, going meow, meow. He just looked at
I think
me.
the cat's on something. Like, what did you give him?
I didn't give him anything.
He's looking at you like, I didn't do it.
Oliver.
But,
Anyways.
yeah.
Yeah, so back to the palette. Sorry about the Oliver.
Squirrel.
Yeah, moment. But we're going to definitely show you guys a couple different looks.
Oh, it's gonna be so fun.
I can't wait. I can't wait. So it's November 13th, and it's 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. So we can't wait to show you the new looks. Hopefully we'll get it in pretty fast. And, whoop!
Really?
He wants to be known.
Come here.
So
No, chill. It's okay.
we'll show you those looks, and so stay tuned on that. But I'm gonna definitely
Absolutely.
put that picture on there. So for me and Oliver and Kristen, have a good night.